Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So we're on a first part of a trip to bring back this F450 tow special at a shop in Conroe, Texas called Sport Chassis, and they do conversions on a lot of different things. This is stuff I don't know much about. This is their sales office. Some tiny trucks up here, but the reason for the video is I want you to see what people in Texas drive, some of the bigger choices out there. This is a lot of fun. I just don't see stuff like this in Seattle, so pretty cool. Haven't seen any on the road yet, but we've only been on the road a short time. So here they sell trailers. They do modifications to trailers, and obviously these weapons grade trucks, you know, built to tow the world. Pretty cool though. So as a car guy, this is very fascinating to me. This one says super truck, and it sure is. That is definitely a super truck to guys like me. But the fire station is next door, kind of fun. We're right off one of the major freeways. But just wanted to share some of the world of Texas trucks. And boy, they're cool. And yeah, the brand is Sport Chassis. That's the name of the company doing these conversions. So if you're interested, look them up in Conroe, Texas. This one has a nice pattern on it. Some racing stripes. Luxury class M2. Doesn't mean anything to me. And then there's a nice black one on the end. But yeah, you need to tow. You need to really tow something. I mean, look at these fuel drums, just like a semi. This is real deal stuff. This looks like a little party wagon. Looks like you could have some people on that, have some fun. Yeah, look at all these trailers. Oh, and this one's pretty. So this is a gray one. I think this one is the new 2025, if I heard correctly. It has more features, more luxury stuff, but I am not the person you want to come to ask questions about these kind of things. I'm just enjoying seeing them myself and checking out a different world. So we're about to head off and start driving north, get some good barbecue on the way, and start making our way back to Seattle in our tiny F450 compared to these. Very tiny. Anyway, I'll have more content for you. Different world that I'm used to, but a fun world and some cool rigs. Real cool stuff. I enjoy it. Thanks for watching, as always. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.